Hi, I'm Debbie. This is my husband, Brian. We are the Popes, and we live in St. Libory, Illinois. We have built a house, replacing an old farmhouse we first purchased when we bought the land. And we love living here. We've decided that we wanted the house to look and reflect the style of Joanna Gaines, and it was easy to do because of what we like and furniture that we had. We like to go to auctions, so it was fun building our furniture and antiques and ideas from things that we had. And we also wanted to have some farm animals that we've never had before because we always lived in towns where that wasn't a choice.
So Debbie's always wanted chickens, so the first thing we got was chickens last year. This year we added some Muscovy ducks, and 2 hens just hatched 10 little ducklings, so we now have 16 ducks. And we added some fainting goats this summer, so we have 5 fainting goats as well. And Debbie says that's the last of the animals for me.